Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Trendy John here from Simpler Trading. Want to give you a quick video on what my trade plan would be going into this particular name. This is Amazon, so just to let everybody know, I closed my Amazon, I believe, on Friday for profits, and now I want to talk about what's to come. So the market looks and feels a bit extended, and if you watch my broad market analysis, you would understand that I'm not trying to call a top, but I do want to be careful as we approach some of these supply zones to the upside. Now, Amazon is, and indeed, my target is 161, which is the trendy edge. We are above the cloud, and you can see that we had a trendy turn signal and buy signal come in here. We also created what we call an inside and up formation here. And anticipation, we did have that nice move to the upside. You can see once we got the trendy turn signal, we moved from about 138 into about 147, or about $10 from here. But also coming into the trendy edge here and finding that value across the line. See, these arrows right here are identifying demand zones. We came into that demand zone, and since then we've moved from about 118 all the way into about 147. Now, in order for me to understand where price is going, I need to look up and to the left over these candles here. So let's take our crosshairs. Let's go ahead and look this way, and you would see that we have this topping wick. So the first thing I want to do is create a line there and say, okay, where are we at in relation to that topping wick? Well, you can see we stalled there. And this is the reason why I wanted to slow down and just kind of say, okay, let's take our profits. We have Black Friday, we have a holiday week. Let's see what they say. All right. And I would imagine there would be some kind of information coming into this week about that. How are retail sales? How did things go? And because of that, we may get the opportunity to buy down here around this 143 level, and even into, and I'm going to move this up a little bit to about that 140 level. Okay, so 140 by 143, this would be perfect. Now, if I'm completely wrong, what we'll do is we'll break over this level, which is okay as well. We want to see 146.72 hold, and then I need to find, well, where are my next targets? Because 161 is pretty far away from 146. So what I'm going to do is go over this level here and then identify more targets. So I'm going to use this wick here. So we're going to get 149.72. I'm going to use the top of the body, 152, and then I'm going to come just underneath this wick here and about right there and say 157. So these are all viable targets to the upside as long as this 146.72 holds, or we gap up over it and then test it and it becomes support. Okay, so the trade plan looks like, hey, as long as we can stay above 146.72 tomorrow, that would be basically my stop from an intraday standpoint, and we'd have to close under that at least on a 1 hour candle. If not, then I just stay long to the upside. Now, if we do get the pullback, then I'm looking at adding or scaling into the trade at around 143 to 140. So again, accumulation happens in here. You could see that the 9 EMA is right here. And if we were to pull back, I would expect that EMA to kind of come in here. You find support, and then we can continue that journey to the upside. That is my trade plan for Amazon. If you like these type of videos, quick, easy, to the point, go ahead and give me a like. And if this is on X, if you guys wouldn't mind sharing and or liking this video as well, and I'll continue to push these out. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you guys tomorrow.